Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, and that is lesson number 11, House We Live in. Okay, so in this lesson, we will learn types of houses, special houses, an ideal house, a clean house, and decorating the house. Hey Radhika, do you know what is a house made of bricks and cement called? So she's asking to Radhika that she know that what is a house made of bricks and cement called. She says, yes, Mihika, a house made of bricks and cement is called Pakka house. So what it is called? It is called Pakka house. We all live in a house. This thing we know that we all live in a house that is big or small. A house protects us from heat, cold, rain, dust, wind, and thieves. So, from which things a house protects us? It protects us from heat, cold, rain, dust, wind, and thieves. Our house keeps us safe and comfortable. That means we are so safe and we are very comfortable in our house. Types of houses. People live in different kinds of houses. That means there are different types of houses and people live in the different kinds of the houses. Houses are built according to the climatic conditions of a particular place. Climatic conditions means how is the weather? How is the weather? Okay. So houses are built according to that condition. Okay. People built their houses from different kinds of materials that are available locally. So which material they have locally? That locally means the material that they can get from their nearby places. Okay, so they built their houses with that material only. Okay, people build their houses from different kinds of material. Different kinds of material is used to make the house, but from where they will take that? That is available locally, which they can get from nearby. Okay, next is kacha house. A kacha house is built of mud, bamboo, and straw. So from which things a kacha house is made up of? It is made up of mud, bamboo, and straw. So this is the all made up of mud, bamboo, and straw. This is of mud and this is of bamboo and straw. Okay, and is found in the most of our villages. So where we find this type of houses? In the villages. These days, people also use cement and bricks to make stronger houses in the villages. But nowadays, what it is that people also build the houses with cement and bricks in the villages. Not only with the mud bamboo, but also with the cement and bricks. Okay. So next is Pakka house. Houses which are strong and made with cement. So these houses were made with mud and bamboo, but these are made with cement and bricks. Okay, this is the difference between kacha house and pakka house. So these are made with cement, bricks, steel, and wood are called pakka houses. Clear? The houses which are made with cement, bricks, steel, and wood, they are called pakka houses. They can withstand in strong storms and heavy rainfall. That means this type of houses, they do not fall during the heavy rainfall or during the storms. Okay, storms mean heavy wind blowing. Storm mean, write down, storms. What are storms? It is a heavy wind. Okay, pakka houses are mostly found in the cities. So where are pakka houses found? They are found in the cities. And where are kacha houses found? They are found in the villages. Clear? Next is types of pakka houses. Types of pakka houses. First one is bungalow. Some people live in bungalows. So some live in kacha houses, some live in pakka houses, and some live in the bungalows. So what is a bungalow? A bungalow is in an independent house. Bungalow is an independent house. What is a bungalow? It is a independent house. It is a big single or double story house that is spread over a large area. That means a bungalow is made in the large area. So it can be big, it could be single, or it could be double story. Okay. It has many rooms. It have many rooms and may have a lawn in the front. Lawn means it is a type of garden. Okay. What does bungalows have? They also have a lawn in the front and it also have many rooms. Okay. Next is flats or multi-storied buildings. In big cities, you can see houses of different types. Okay. So in the cities, we see different types of houses. Many people live in multi-storied buildings. So where do people live? Many of the people live in the multi-storied buildings. And these houses are also called apartments. Okay, this is multi-storied building. And the houses in this, so this is a house, this is a house. So what this will be called? This will be called apartments. Okay, the houses in the multi-storied building will be called apartments. Do you know the house we live in is called our home? So what is our home? Our home is a house that we live in. Look here, this is single storied house and this is a double storied house. Okay. People live in different types of houses because of several reasons. So now we will read the reasons. Why do people live in the different types of houses? First one is the amount of money available to build the house. So money is required to build the house, but all people do not have so much money. So who have less money, they will make a small house. Who have more money, they will make a big house. So this is the reason that people live in the different types of houses. Okay. The material available to build the house. So here the material is required, bricks and cement. But in the kacha house, what was the material? It was mud and bamboo. So the material available to build the house. Some people cannot afford bricks and cement, so they make kacha house. Okay. So materials available to build the house is also the reason that the people live in the different types of the houses. Next is the climate of the place. Climate means same the weather condition. Climate is the weather condition, means how is the weather. Okay. So according to that also the people live in the different types of houses.